Hey everybody, this is my 1985 AE86 Toyota Corolla SR5, and I have removed the dash, and I am thinking about posting this video to get some ideas from you guys, if you guys have any ideas for an electric AC. Now, we have a few of the original AC components from this SR5. As you can see, this white cable here, if we pull on this cable or push it, it opens the here's the blower motor, right? As you can see here, and it opens the vents up, I'm guessing for the inside or outside air. This box, which I'm guessing just takes that air, pushes it into here. I don't know what that box is called. Does something with it, puts it into here, probably funnels where if you want to put it to your feet or to your defroster or to your face. And I'm guessing it blows through to here to the front middle vents that they had up here. Now I'm trying to see with the electric AC kit that they sell off of eBay for like 500, 600 bucks, if I can throw these away, or do I keep these original AC parts? Now obviously these original vents could be used, right? But as you can see on some of the eBay ones, they have their own like 4 whole vents, right, that just blow out of their own thing. Now, how can I use that and hook it up to the original Toyota's AC components? If you have any ideas, leave a comment down below, because that's something that I would really like to know. And I haven't seen anyone do it for the A86. Excuse me. So if you have any ideas, let me know. You can see this is some of the vents that blow up to the side, right up there. And yeah, just thinking, I don't really know how to do this. What do you guys think? Should I take all of these parts apart? And yeah, what should I do?